Okay. Na Agya Koo ba atrinity eyi nsem bia no na nsem na oyi ano Ghana fo so omonte ase na me ankasa na me mabre nti no unim bibi ye nkwohwe Agya Koo ba nenum nsem kakra mbere ba na me nu mienu ni na ya pensem na ohun ya kire ya adwe
o papa na Agya Koo
Daddy pa trying papa no
ade na kire
oh miss no
o se no
o check like last year or be in the house of front call introducing me.
The house of what say?
The mansion last year.
Or be in the fear now. Or introduce you say.
Celeba.
Oh baby.
Patchai.
Sir. Oh, when is it the legend about the one you know? A Jenny. Oh. Any anyum de we any anyum na ka se wo jafi unso Agya Koo to no papa to no ana unim
Oh minim ba ono no onti asiesa on me daddy na meneniti sisia on na bia otenyom asia o encourage me mama yenyom ba ono ne de onti asiesa nti
o papa Agya Koo mbe so obeto nyom how do you say
like on per se the me ba music industry ni or movie industry ni
on be say o be industry no either say o be senior na o be enyo
pachai
na wo hu bibi wo mu onyom to
on sheho on sheho kra
but onim so onim nyom to
pachai
and o si jai
pachai
Osi jana hweso ko school ana bia industry no niam bi o mo mbese ba be for intino o kasa na
oh school na de osemenko ba aside school ne crop per se industry me yima dream free so cry
okay and you papa say tesadia me I will find out but what can say Agya Koo papa kire say obese o ko school na daachi odi bebi si wani so na wo de nwom na industry da sam to na wo pese o ye den daachi
pese me to nwom like adwuma bia to say e wo industry nim to say nwom movie ye nini na me ya de wo minim acting minim nwom to
oh nesenka apa no mo jana de wa pick pa bet industry no so mu nyo sa ndi ono so se memem
ba chai
enti Agya Koo ba no o se di papa se ompene ma onto nwom chese o se Agya Koo na kata onim nyem to o se ompene ma onto nwom eno ompene ma ontwa sini ena Ghana for se ana akoda we ade na we expose you papa ana am se na say interview no twa na ne papa te ho ne papa ma go ahead obi a ne papa se o mani ntwa nwom o mani ntwa movie no na nka onte one man ko be grant sa interview no ena ebi mu susu say ena adent na we expose you papa ideas we expose ni say oh can the truth ne papa is aware ne papa te o mama adwenya mu say ne papa ante ho Agya te ho papa di onim dia ya ma ne ba ena o ye enti mama ha mo ho mama ha mo ho o na say me kura me si so me ka say be trust me papa say there be sebio kafra sini no ye huhu bra ohun jantra ema no ebo jantra enti me ye dey so ma me ntwa ene na me amani ade na me rewre ma na me ye media kaka me ye dey me twa two bi ene kwa mpokura oh net say case study what you say enti wanya ama senior ndo me ko ne ya prepare me script to na me director friend me say ya o script I ready kra me say papa me pacho me ye bibi wo baby so me boa sini na do me what you say enti dia papa no je ne say bia o kan ne ba na so onim dia ya ma ne ba na nkrofo ma no mo ye MPs omo ye ministers ne president no onya ne ba ye bi echiri ho nkrofo ma ye lawyer no say fame now pa eno so onya kakra so obotom no atwa bloggers ye be interview must you stress it just so papa ye actor the changes also ye actress Agya Koo me na metewase enti akoda wo so tiase wate o papa wonta o papa wodo wo stepfather Was stepfather mom no ndo, so no pia wati kwani onu no ndo. Enti ebusuafo na chese Edina ya Miss Cover Girl from Cover Girl so a mejo so tap send na so masne na me de konkonsen in 360 e de be so mo my crowd.
A very big hello to all our lovely tap send customers across the world. We appreciate you and we say a big thank you for supporting us and sticking with us all these years. You are the reason tap send is there, and you would know that right now you are not able to use tap send to send money to Ghana. The reason is that the Bank of Ghana has suspended our local partnerships with banks and financial institutions in Ghana. That means that we are not able to send your money to Ghana right now. This suspension is to do with the wallet product, which we tap send launched in the UK and Europe. The wallet product is licensed by the regulators in the UK and Europe. It is legal and is totally compliant with all the regulations. Bank of Ghana, however, have some concerns with the wallet, which we are working really hard to address. So for now, they have suspended our operations in Ghana for up to a month, and we are working to do our very best to reduce that suspension as it stands. I would say, though, that the wallet product is legal in the UK, like I said. Your money is completely safe and protected by the laws in UK and Europe. So don't worry about your money. If you have money in the wallet, it will still be there when we come back, and it will be safe and secure. This wallet is innovation from us, and we hope that we can resolve this and continue to serve you, the Ghanaian diaspora. What I'll say, though, is just like you stuck with us all this time, please stick with us again. Don't send your money through others. Hold the money if you can and send it in December, because we are coming with big promotions. We are coming with big giveaways, and we are coming with good rates to allow you to send money to Ghana and have more money for your loved ones in Ghana. So please stay with us. Your love help us build tap send to where it is right now. Your love and your support will continue to help us come back from these issues and continue to build tap send. Thank you very much. We love you from all of the Ghana team. Please keep supporting us. We'll be back soon.
Tap send. Papa no.